The truth that buyers need to know. A lot of buyers in Bowling Green are quietly losing money right now without even realizing it. They're waiting for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. The perfect rate, the perfect market, while our inventory, competition, and affordability continue to shift daily. The truth is that waiting can either protect your budget or cost you thousands in equity, payment, and long-term opportunity, depending on what happens next. So today I'm breaking down the real Bowling Green market and whether buying now or waiting makes sense for you in 2026. I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor here in Bowling Green, and I help buyers and sellers make smart decisions based on strategy, timing, and real market data so you feel confident instead of overwhelmed. Let's take a look at what is actually happening. The Bowling Green market today is very different from what we saw a few years ago. We're no longer in that extreme multiple offer environment where every home sold instantly, but we're also not in a crashing market. What we have now is more balanced, strategy-driven marketing where thoughtful decisions matter. Buyers have more negotiating room and sellers need strong pricing and strong marketing to stand out. As of 2026, the median home prices in Bowling Green are generally in the mid-200s to the low 300s. Prices have risen over the last several years, but they've started stabilizing compared to the rapid jumps we used to see. This means buyers are not dealing with the same intense price spikes and sellers are still sitting on strong equity. It's a more predictable market, and predictable helps buyers plan with confidence. Inventory is the number that every buyer should pay attention to. Inventory controls leverage. When inventory is tight, buyers compete. When inventory grows, buyers gain power. Right now, we have more inventory than in the previous years, which gives buyers space to negotiate, compare, and move with clarity. But well-priced, well-marketed homes still sell quickly, which is why timing and strategy matter so much. Homes are also taking longer to sell. Instead of flying off the market instantly, many properties are staying active closer to 2 or 3 months depending on the location, the condition, and the price point. This creates opportunities for buyers to negotiate repairs, closing costs, or price adjustments. But it also means sellers need to take preparation seriously. Preparation, pricing, and online visibility matter more than ever. Interest rates remain one of the biggest factors affecting affordability. A small rate change can significantly impact your monthly payment. Some buyers are waiting for rates to drop, but here's the part people forget. If rates fall, more buyers will jump back in, which could raise competition and reduce your negotiation room. Lower rates do not always mean lower overall cost. The good news is this market rewards informed buyers. You're not forced to rush. You have time to study value, compare options, and write stronger offers. The buyers who are winning right now understand timing, they understand strategy, and they recognize when a home is priced correctly. Sellers also have opportunity, especially those with strong equity from the past several years. But equity alone does not sell homes. Presentation sells, pricing sells, and marketing sells. The sellers getting top dollar today are the ones who prepare their home, they price realistically, and they capture attention online with strong visibility. So, should you buy now or wait? It depends entirely on your goals. If you're waiting because you think the prices will collapse, that's not what our data shows locally. But if you're waiting because you need more savings or stronger credit or more financial stability, that is a strategic wait, and that absolutely makes sense. If you're financially ready, planning to stay a couple years, and find the right home that aligns with your goals, then buying right now can still be a smart move, especially because buyers today have more leverage and more negotiating power than they've had in years. There's no universal answer. The right move depends on your finances, your timing, and your goals. The people that make the best decisions are the ones making informed decisions, not fear-based decisions. If you are trying to decide whether buying now or waiting makes the most sense for your situation, reach out anytime. I'm always happy to walk you through the numbers and build a strategy that fits your goals.